Okay, boys and girls, today you're going to be playing a game called Windy Roads. And these instructions are here in your folder for the week. And also inside this folder, you're going to find a bag of little squares. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by building a windy road. So you take your squares and you just make them touch. I always want a different color to touch, okay? So if it's white, I need something different than white. Now, right now, my road is straight, and the game's called Windy Roads. So I'm going to turn my road. I'm going to turn it however I want. Oh, I can't put a brown here because I already have a brown. I want a different color. Maybe I want to turn it up now. Maybe I want to go sideways. Oh, a different color. See how I go sideways for a little bit? Now I'm going to go back down. And I'm making a windy road. That means it winds all over the place. Okay? I have to use all of my squares. Now, if you have somebody working with you, then they can work on this side. So Pete's got his squares, and he's going to go this direction with his squares. Okay? And we want to do this until we've used all the squares in our bag. Okay, the next thing you're gonna need is a dice. You can use a big one like this, or you can use your little dice, or you can use your number dice, your choice. Pete and I are gonna use the big dice today. Right, Pete? Right, Mrs. Davert? Okay, and the other thing is we need to have 2 markers. It says in the directions to use bears, but I don't know if you have little tiny bears, so I'm gonna use cubes. If you have something really tiny, like a little car or a tiny little Shopkin or something, you could use that, but they have to be different. Pete, what color do you want to be? I'd like to be red. Okay, so Pete's going to be red, and we're going to start at the road, and Mrs. Davert's going to be green. I'm going to let Pete go first, because I think that's nice. So Pete's going to take his dice and roll it. Pete, what number did you get? I got a 6. So now Pete's going to take his red marker and he's going to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. Okay, 6 spaces. Oopsie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's Pete and his 6. Now it's my turn. I got a 6 also, so I'm going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pete and I can be on the same space. That's okay. All right, Pete's turn. I got a 6. All right, so Pete's going to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Mrs. Davert goes. I got a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's Pete's turn to roll. I got a 2. So Pete's going to move. 1, 2. Now Mrs. Davert's turn. I got 6. 1, 2, and I'm going to jump right on top of Pete. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, you're ahead of me now. Yep, I'm ahead. Okay, Pete got 1. He moves just 1 space. My turn, I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Pete's turn. I got a 2. So Pete's gonna move 1, 2 jumps. Okay, now Mrs. Davert goes. I got 2 also, 1, 2. Now it's Pete's turn. He goes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pete's turn. 2. 1, 2. And Mrs. Davert's turn. 2. 1, 2. Ooh, I'm still in the lead. Do you think I might win? I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mrs. Davert's turn. 3. 1, 2, 3. I got to the end of the road. That means I win the game. Yay, Mrs. Davert, that was fun. But the best thing is, the game is not over. We can play it again by taking our pieces, mixing them up, and making a whole new windy road. This time it's going to go this direction. See how I go different directions? I can make a whole new game. Oh, I can't put green next to green. I don't want to put it here either. I want to put it on the end so it still makes a road. We can make a whole new game. Pete and I can play again. Just like this. Now another thing you could do, if you wanted to, I can't go this way because then it doesn't make a path, is if you wanted to challenge yourself, you could use 2 dice and roll them together. 4 and 2 is 6. Or you could use a number dice and a regular dice and add those. 1 and 6 is 7, and do it that way. So, see how I'm making a new game? Yes! Yes, it's a new game. We gotta play again. And I can make a whole new windy road. So you and your mom or dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, brother, uncle, friend, or even your stuffed animal, have fun playing windy roads. I like this game, Mrs. Davert. It's a fun one.